In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Pokemon from different accounts. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have multiple accounts on your Nintendo Switch and you would like to transfer Pokemon between them, all that you need in order to do this is access to Pokemon Home. Pokemon Home will allow you to do this without any sort of modification or additional subscription. So log into your account where you want to receive the Pokemon, so the receiving account. Once you are signed into the receiving account, you can open Pokemon Home. Now you will have the standard view of all of your data, so you have all of your games, for example, Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee, Scarlet and Violet, and so on. But if you look at the top, you will see the current account that you are using. So in order to switch accounts and transfer Pokemon between them, all that you have to do is select it at the top. This will give you a list of all the accounts that are registered on your Nintendo Switch. So the one that you accessed, where you will be receiving the Pokemon, and then the additional ones. So in this case, since you are currently signed into account 1, choose one of the other accounts to transfer Pokemon from. And then once you are signed into that account, for example, account 2, you can access the accounts to save data. And when you choose to access the save data, it's as simple as transferring the Pokemon from account 2. So this is, for example, the box in Scarlet and Violet. You transfer the Pokemon from account 2 into the Pokemon Home box. Then you go back, switch accounts again. So now you will be viewing account 1's save data. And if you log into Pokemon Home, you can transfer the Pokemon from account 2 into the box for account 1 on any game. It is simple to do, and all that you have to select is this option above all games. So instead of choosing a game, choose your username at the top. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Pokemon from different accounts. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.